My people, if you dey check your email now, you come see one email wey fine, the email set, understand? The email e carry logo. In fact, the email even get your name. E dey like say na real. But if you look that email well, you fit discover say na fake email. You understand now? You fit discover say na fake email. So these scammers now, they don dey upgrade, they don dey find way, understand, to make sure say wetin they dey do dey real. But no matter how they try to hide am, understand, you fit still catch them. Understand? You fit still catch them because mistake need dey for wetin they dey do. Wetin wey be fake fit fine finish. Understand now? So fake email now fit end with wetin you see here for screen now. Understand? So in place of this you go write one. Instead of to say at gmail-support.com, understand? They go say at gma1l. Understand now? So that place of one now, now I suppose dey. But because say they may not fit register at gmail.com, understand? Online because they registered already. That they may not fit register am the second time, understand? So they got to use another one where they different. So to do that, they change this one now. This I now we suppose dey here to one. You understand now? So they go fit register am. So as they do am now, if you know sharp, your eye no sharp, you no go see am, you no go know. So you go think say na from Gmail they send am come, but you no know say na fake link. So anytime they see all those kind link like that, all those kind email like that, check am well. Open your eye, check the letters, check the spelling. To make sure say this thing dey from, or this thing now come from the right source. If na Google send am, na Google link be this, na the official website be this. Understand? If na Opay send am, ask yourself, na the official link where they link to Opay website be this. Understand? So check all these things now before you no make mistake. Understand? Na small attention now dey save big wahala. And people know they sharp. Na me like this, your online police. Who dey push am dey go small small.